We're Footrpint Tools, a hand tool manufacturer, have been manufacturing hand tools in Sheffield since the 18th century. We've been working with the AMRC since it first began. We had a problem where we had some processes which just weren't productive enough, and we were actually losing money on one of our biggest selling products. We approached the AMRC, asked about a robot project with them, and they said yes. We now have a fully functioning robot cell, grinding, linishing and hardening this product, and it's improved productivity in the business, so much so that whilst we're exceptionally busy, we would not be able to keep up with demand if we did not have that robot in place. As many other SMEs find, they don't have specialist skills. It was essential for us to be able to call upon the AMRC to come in, de-risk the project, prove that that project could work for us and that it actually wasn't going to be a wasted venture for us. We're now getting our own second robot coming in the next few weeks. The AMRC has given us the confidence to invest, and it's also given us the confidence knowing that we've got them on our doorstep to be able to call upon if we have problems, if we're looking at something, we're not sure where to start. They've got the specialist skills to start pointing us in the right direction.